Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set TV purchases and rentals to high definition or standard definition on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on TV. Next, scroll down to the bottom. In the Purchases and Rentals section, tap on Video Definition. Next, in here you can choose between High Definition or Standard Definition. And it says that if you select Standard Definition, only videos in Standard Definition will be shown as an option when you purchase or rent videos. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.